YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave, I am no bridge, man. Now right now, son, so the point of this video right here, I'm going to show you how to create your COINEXX Forex broker account. I'm going to show you how to make a demo account, how to connect it to MetaTrader 4 so you can start taking trades and start making real money, how to create a live account, how to deposit money in your account, and how to withdraw money from your account. I'm going to show you all of this stuff in one video, but before we actually get into that, if you're not subscribed already, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family, and like the video. All right, let's get it.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Now, everything I'm about to show you is going to be from the phone, but this process is literally the exact same thing on a laptop or a computer. And this whole process is very, very simple. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is click the link that's below this video. Is going to take you to the COINEXX Forex broker website. All right. And once you click that link, your screen should look exactly like my screen right now. Now, the very first thing is simply a sign up screen. You're going to put your first name, last name, email, create a password. Make sure that you remember these things, because this is a real thing, this is real money, so make sure that you really put in, your real information. After you sign up, your screen is gonna look exactly like mine. Now, the very first thing that we wanna do is create a demo account. So we're gonna click the top right where the little three lines are. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom where it says demo account. Okay, now it says create with MT4. I like to use MetaTrader 4. If you wanna use MetaTrader 5, you could do that. We're gonna click create account. All right, it's gonna access our leverage. All leverage allows you to trade with more money than you actually have. So I always go with the highest leverage. So I'm gonna click 500. And for the currency, I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna click USD. All right, and simply I'm gonna click new, pretty much create the account. It's loading. After it loads, it's gonna give me the credentials of my new demo account. It gave us our ID, our password, and the server. Now, the next thing that you want to do, if you do not already have MetaTrader 4, what you want to do is you're going to go to your app store. Now, I already have MetaTrader 4, but you're going to go to your app store. Whether you're on the iPhone or Android, you're going to type MetaTrader 4, and you're simply going to download MetaTrader 4. Okay, now, if you are on a computer, once you get into your COINEXX broker account, there's going to be, when you click the little menu button, there's going to be something that says download platform. And that's how you're going to download MetaTrader 4 on your laptop or your computer. If you try to get MetaTrader 4 any other way, I'm telling you now, it's not going to work. All right, so if you're on a laptop or a computer, you're going to click the menu button and you're going to click where it says download platform. And that's how you're going to get MetaTrader 4 on your laptop or your computer. Now you can use robots and you can download different types of indicators and things like that. All right, but if you want it on a phone, this is pretty much how you get it. You just simply go to your app store. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to go into MetaTrader 4 and we're going to click the bottom right where it says settings. We're going to click new account and we're going to go to where it says log in to an existing account. All right, we're going to type in COINEXX. Since it's a demo account, the very first one where it says COINEXX demo, we're going to click that. Now we're going to go back to our broker account. Now, don't try to type these numbers in. Just simply copy and paste it. It's a lot easier, trust me, especially when it comes to passwords. All right, we're going to copy and paste this, our password. And boom, now we are in. All right, you can see that we have $5,000 in our account. This is practice money. This is a practice account. So now I'm going to briefly show you how to use MetaTrader 4 real quick on the phone. Then I'm going to show you how to make a live account, how to put money in, how to withdraw money and things like that. So the bottom left where it says quotes, this is pretty much giving you the list of different pairs that you can actually use to trade. Now for me, I like to trade US 30. So if I want to add a pair, I'm going to click the top right where it has the plus sign. And I'm going to type US 30, or let's not do it like that. I'm just going to click the third where it says indices. All right. And at the very bottom, it says US 30. I'm going to click the plus sign. So now you can see I have US 30 at the bottom. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the top left. And I'm going to get rid of all of these other pairs that I never look at, that I never trade. I do look at Bitcoin, so I'm going to keep that. So now I have BTC and I have US 30. That's perfect. Now, if I want to start trading, I can just either click charts, and you can see right now I'm looking at a Bitcoin chart, but let's just go back to the quotes. Let's say I want to start looking at US 30. I'll just click US 30 and I'll click where it says charts. Now I'm looking at a US 30 chart. Now remember, this is a practice account. This is a demo account. How to take a trade. At the top right, it says trade. Now you can either buy the market or you can sell the market. When you buy the market, you want it to go up. When you sell the market, you want it to go down. All right, market execution. This is showing me how to get into the market right now, or this is where I go if I want to take a trade where the market is right now. If I want to set in pending order, I'll simply click it and you can see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. If you're a beginner, you are going to have to learn what those terms mean, but the best way to really learn is by practicing, and that's what a demo is for you to practice. Underneath that, we have our lot size where it says 1.0. You can change your lot size to whatever you want. I believe on COINEXX for US 30, the minimum lot size is a 1.0, which is a standard lot. But with different brokers, the weight for the trades don't equal the same, if that makes sense. If you take it on demo, you'll understand what I mean. Actually, I'll just do it real quick. I'm gonna click buy. You can see I'm actually in the trade now. All right, I'm gonna go to the next screen where it says trade. I'm currently down $3. All right, this screen pretty much just shows us our current trades. It shows us our active trades. You can see that it's fluctuating. Now I'm up $1. All right, click history. History just tells us our history of trades for the day, the week, the month, or you can select a custom time period. And settings, this is where you go to, look at your settings. You can change the way the chart looks. And you can set up alerts and different things like that. But that right there is just like a brief tutorial on how to use MetaTrader 4. Now let's go back to COINEXX, and now we're gonna make a live account. I'm gonna show you how to put money in your account and then how to withdraw money, and then you're gonna be good. We're gonna go back to the dashboard. We're gonna click the top right, and we're gonna go down to where it says live account. So we're gonna click live account, and we're gonna do the same thing. It's the same exact process. Create account with MetaTrader 4. All right, our leverage is gonna be the same. Our currency is gonna be the same. New MetaTrader 4 live account. So boom, now I have a brand new live trading account. It gives me the ID, the password. If I want to start trading on a real account like on MetaTrader 4, I'll simply go back to MetaTrader 4. I'll go to settings. I'll click new account, log into an existing account. I'll type COINEXX, and you can see that it has COINEXX live right here. And now I'll just put the credentials that they literally just gave me. All right, but I'm not gonna do that right now because I don't really need to. Okay, but now we have a live account. So now I'm gonna show you how to deposit money in your account when you are ready to start trading with real money. So we're gonna click the menu button. We're gonna click where it says deposit funds. Okay, select trading ID. This is pretty much selecting the account that you just created. All right, now this is a brand new account, so I don't have any money in here. You can see it says current balance 0, but this is how you actually, put money in your account. Select deposit currency. I always use Bitcoin to deposit money, and I use Bitcoin to withdraw money. Okay. And it says that you can actually do it by bank transfer as well. I've never done that. I'm not gonna say that you shouldn't do it, but I do everything with Bitcoin. Okay, so boom, I'm gonna click proceed. It's gonna take me to the next screen. All right, so this screen right here is very, very important. This screen is giving us the Bitcoin address to send the money to. All right, now when it comes to Bitcoin addresses and Bitcoin wallets, all that is like a place where you have your money. So this Bitcoin wallet is giving us this address full of letters and numbers. You can always screenshot it. I recommend that you screenshot it as soon as you see it. And then the very first thing that you want to do is actually copy those letters and numbers. This right here is going to be our trading wallet. Okay, so this is going to be the wallet that we're going to send the Bitcoin to. So the very next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to Cash App. I know a lot of you guys already have Cash App, but you can use Cash App, you can use Coinbase, you can use crypto.com, whatever app that you use to buy and sell, send, receive Bitcoin, you can use that. Okay, but let's just do Cash App because like I said, I know you guys have Cash App. So make sure you have this copy. We're going to go to Cash App. All right, we're gonna go to the Bitcoin portion of Cash App, and the very first thing that we wanna do is buy Bitcoin. Now, first thing that you have to ask yourself is how much money are you depositing into your account? Are you depositing $50, $100, $500? Let's say that we're gonna do $100. So the first thing that I have to do on Cash App is buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. All right, so I'm gonna buy $100 worth of Bitcoin first. All right, so I just bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. The very next thing that I need to do is send the Bitcoin to the wallet that they just gave me. So I'm gonna go back to the website. Even though I got a screenshot of it, even though I already copied it, I know for a fact I always just do the same thing every single time. I'm gonna go back to it. I'm gonna copy it again just in case. Make sure that you do not try to type these letters and numbers because you're gonna mess it up. And if you mess it up, you're gonna mess up everything. So just copy and paste it. So I just copied it. I'm gonna go back to Cash App. All right, it's asking me how much money do I want to send. I'm gonna type in $100. Okay, now if you were doing this on a laptop or a computer, you can see the top left where it has a little QR code thing. That right there is a lot simpler because you can literally just scan it if you wanted to do it that way. But for me, I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. So, and I'm not doing it from a laptop anyway. So I'm gonna send $100 worth. Now it's asking me, where do I want to send the money to? I'm simply gonna paste the address that I just copied. So I'm gonna paste that, and I'm gonna send the money to that address. Okay. Boom. So now you can see that the money is pretty much on its way. Now, when it comes to sending and receiving Bitcoin, this can take time. It can literally take up to like 2 days to receive the money. Sometimes it takes an hour. Sometimes it takes 3 hours. Sometimes it takes a whole day. You know, but just know if you did these steps the right way, yes, your money is on the way. Do not panic. You're going to see your money in your account soon. All right. So now we just deposited $100 into our live trading account. So now let me show you how to withdraw money from your account after you start making bread. To even be able to do this, the very first thing that you need to do is activate the two-factor authentication little process. Now, it's two different apps you can use. You can either use the app called Authy, or you can use the Google Authenticator. Both of these apps, you can get them from the App Store. Now, this process, you might actually want to use a laptop or a computer for this just so you can scan the QR code. I have my account already put up here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my Google Authenticator. I'm gonna click the plus sign at the bottom, and I'm gonna click scan the QR code, and I'm gonna scan the QR code that they just gave me. All right, boom. So now I have the COINEXX inside of my Google Authenticator. All right, so now it gives me a code. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna go back to the website, type it in, click activate. All right, boom. So now my two-factor authentication is enabled. So now I can withdraw and deposit money however I want. Now, like I said before, the two-factor thing is just, you know, for protection, just so nobody can just go into your account and just start taking your bread. So I'm gonna go to withdrawals, withdrawal requests. This process is the same thing as depositing money. It's just literally in reverse. So first thing, we're gonna click our account. This is our live account right here. This is a brand new account, so I don't have any money in it. But let's say I had $500 and I wanted to withdraw $100. The free, you see where it says $0? That's because I have $0 in here. But let's say that we want to withdraw $100. Please enter the amount in base currency of your trading account. All right, we're gonna go to Bitcoin because we always want to withdraw and deposit using Bitcoin. And now it's gonna ask for our address. Now, this address that it's asking for, this is going to be, it's pretty much asking where do we want to send the money to. So whether if you're using Cash App, you have to go to your Cash App and you have to copy your deposit wallet from your Cash App. Because what you're saying is that you want to send this money to your Cash App wallet. All right. So if you're using Coinbase, you have to get your Coinbase wallet. If you're using crypto.com, you have to use your crypto.com wallet. And whatever wallet you're using, the receiving wallet, you're going to copy that into here. You're going to paste it, or you're going to paste it into here, and then you're going to click withdraw. You can see it says it will get processed in 48 hours. The minimum withdrawal is about $10. All right, but that right there is how you create a demo account, a live account, how you set it up with MetaTrader 4, how you put money in your account, and how you withdraw money from your account, all in one video. All right, if this video was helpful, definitely click like down below and definitely follow me Subscribe to the channel, subscribe, catch the wave, join the family. I hope this video actually helped you. I'm glad that I can do things like this for y'all. Yeah, man, that's it, man. Here at the Bridge CEO, you already know how it go. You either gonna catch this wave or get washed up. Peace.
Damn, I remember being broke. Niggas calling me a joke. Sleeping on me, now they woke. And now they say I give them hope. She ain't never even noticed me. Now I pull up and she knows me. Shorty say she see the goat in me. I got everybody quoting me.